Good morning, friends. How are you? Today I'll talk about the Libra coin. The Facebook launches its new crypto coin. It's called Libra. Today I'll give you the general knowledge about the Libra. First official launch is 2019, but it will work from 2020 April. The Facebook takes some time for launching it because there is a reason behind it. They want to add some more subscribers, companies to launch their Libra coin. Okay, the transaction charges is zero. If we can transaction Libra coin, there is a zero transaction charges. If we can transaction Bitcoin and Litecoin, Dogecoin, there is transaction charges for blockchain, but in Libra coin there is no charges of Libra coin. Libra coin is main positive thing is you can change the hard currency also. In Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, we cannot change the hard currency, but the Libra is the authority to change your hard currency also. If you are working in other countries, you live US, Canada, and other countries in India, so you have the authority to change the hard currency. You buy Libra coin and you can change it hard currency. Okay, Libra coin is stable. Remove from 10% or 20% downfall or 10% up move, because it can regulated by many companies. It cannot show the how we can see the trend in Bitcoin. Bitcoin sometimes go 10% up and 10% down, but Libra coin we cannot see that thing. Libra coin is stable coin. It can increase 1% or 2%, 3%, or decrease 1 to 3% as like as a share market. It can be regulated by Facebook. Transaction Bitcoin doing transaction in 1 minute 10 times. The transaction ratio of Bitcoin, they calculated the Bitcoin. If you transaction Bitcoin 1 minute, it can make you 10 transaction. But if you transaction Libra coin, it make 100 times you can transaction in 1 minute. That's the positive things. Libra wallet, where you can store your Libra wallet. They give the separate wallet for that is called the Libra wallet. Libra wallet, you can save your Libra coin. But when you can create your Libra wallet, that's the big question. In Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, other cryptocurrency, we cannot required about the government ID, and nothing we have to do but just log in and make the wallet ID. But Libra wallet, there is a requirement of government ID. After then, if you approved for Libra wallet, after then the Libra wallet is open for you. So there is a clear thing. Libra coin required a government ID, your PAN card or your voter ID card or your Aadhaar card for India. And there is a foreign country, they need license, about driving license and your taxable license and other things. If you give the all documents, then the Libra coin wallet is valid for you. You can collect Libra coin and there is a type of uh, they give you as a Libra coin. Okay, company individual for Libra coin. There is lot of companies involving in Libra coin. There is lot of companies. I give the first is Kiwi, Booking, French Lunch, Mastercard, Lloyds, Uber, Payout, Coinbase, PayPal, Creative, Bestcontrail, Wellpaid, Unions, Thriles, LYA, Strike, eBoy, Spot Exchange, Intuitives, Logs. There is 52 companies involved in Libra coin for promoting. They can, I'll say clearly, they can invest in Libra coin in 10 billion US dollar. These 52 companies invest $52 billion in Libra coin. And the main purpose is Facebook. They can subscribe for 220 is 100 companies. They can invest 10 billion or 15 billion US dollar. And the main benefit for Facebook is there is a losses of the transaction fees. If Libra coin launch, there is no ICO will be happen. Okay, no person get the time to get the ICO level, or there is no possibility to get your Libra coin. You can only earn Libra coin. You can identity proof from government level and then give the US dollar or Indian currency. You can buy Libra coin and then you can make a transaction in Libra coin. Okay, there is a questions. There is no questions. I'll give you all question answer about the Libra coin. And second question is the big thing. Is Libra coin work for Bitcoin? Is Libra coin move about Bitcoin? Because Libra coin has the regulators. They can control the up and down movement. There is a lot of companies. They can control the up and movement. In 2020, April, May, June, July, August, the Facebook launched Libra coin. That's a big thing for the Facebook, and it get the beneficial because they save their interest rate. There is no transaction fees. So there is a lot of benefit in Facebook. So you can understand about the Facebook strategy. You get the good benefit about the if you invest in Libra coin, because some time after the coin raises its peak. If Libra coin is viral, more people are in transaction. Libra coin touched 50,000 also. That's my personal view, because Bitcoin started 0.52, $1, $2, $3, and now it can take $10,000, $15,000, and $20,000 US dollar. That's why I say the Libra coin is also trade smaller amount. You can invest in Libra coin and you get a benefit, more benefit about after 5 years, 10 years, because big companies are involved in Libra coins. Invest like an investor. Don't be trade in Libra coin. Invest and forget after investment. The Libra coin after 5-10 years you see the 50,000 US dollar, and Facebook is the reputed company. It give you the hard cash. I'll tell about their transaction about the hard cash. See this, I make the full tutorial about the Libra coin, and kindly share, subscribe my channel, and I'll give you more beneficial video. Next video I'll compare about the Libra and Bitcoin. Why Libra is different from Bitcoin. why Bitcoin is stable for 15,000, why Libra has opportunity to go 50,000. I'll give you next video. Till then, bye.